So use Elasticsearch plus Kibana. Now deploy Elasticsearch plus Kibana. Let's review how to use ELK in container service, which has been explained in our previous chapters. This is to deploy ELK in Alibaba Cloud Container Service or deploy them directly on your machine by following the Elasticsearch Kibana documents. Now this document assumes that you have deployed the two components. If you are still running the log pilot, close it first and then start it again by using the following commands. But one point to note is, before running the following command, replace the two variables, which is Elasticsearch host and Elasticsearch port, with the actual values you are using. Elasticsearch port is generally 9200. Now, compared with the previous log pilot startup methods, here's 3 environment variables are added, as you can see on the screen now. Continue to run the Tomcat started previously and access it again to make Tomcat generate some logs. All these newly generated logs will be sent to Elasticsearch. Now open Kibana and no new logs are visible yet. Create an index first. Log pilot will write logs to the specific index of Elasticsearch. The rules are as follows. Okay. So if label alien.logs.tags is used in the application and tags contain target, use target as the index of Elasticsearch. Otherwise use xxx in the label alien.logs.xxx as the index. Now in the previous example about Tomcat, the label alien logs tags is not used. So access and Catalina are used and they are used by default as the index. So first create the index access, as you can see on the screen right now. Okay, now after the index is created, you can view the logs which you see here. Okay, now how to use log pilot in Alibaba Cloud Container Service. So container service makes some special optimization for log pilot, which adopts to running log pilot best. To run log pilot in container service, create an application by using the following orchestration file. For how to create an application, please refer my earlier lectures. But here is the code you can see on the screen right now. Then you can use alien.logs.xxx label on the application that you want to collect logs. Okay, now coming on to label description. When Tomcat is started, the following two labels are declared to tell log pilot the location of the container logs, as you can see on the screen. You can also add more labels on the application container. And